President Lama here at the Ripa International Center, and he's teaching us the instruments and the arts and the rituals. And one of the things that he knows so many things. He's like a whole life. And as we think, maybe proposing Thangka painting workshop with the Thangka painter in autumn, we thought it's nice that maybe some people already can see a little bit what it's all about. Okay, enjoy. Thank you.
And this is, we are going to make this. And Thangka, this Buddha painting things start during Buddha times. Buddha has a parent who is king of one of Indian king called Bimbisara. He is same age of Buddha and also they are very close friend. So once Buddha want to present him something nice, so then he from his body light go out and print on the paper like his picture. So then he sent this. From there, this Buddha's artist start painting the Buddhas. And like Buddhist follower, we have support for practice. There is two things. Of course, there's body support of body, speech, and mind. Buddha's body support is like statue and like painting things, and speech, all the teaching texts, Buddha's texts. Then for symbol of enlightened mind is stupa, that is you see outside here. And from these three, for the body support, we call two things. One is like painting these things, and other is statue. So measurement is same. Painting Thangka or building the statue is the way of measurement is same. And today we are going to make this Buddha's painting, and from this only head is the first step. I studied only 3 months. I couldn't continue, but 3 months I did, and in these 3 months I finished how to make the face. And then Buddha without cloth, just body, and then with cloth, the step is like this. And then when once you done first from Buddha, then next is Tara, female deities. They also first Tara face, then body without cloth, and then body with cloth. And then third step is Rad deities. Also first only face, and then body, and then with ornaments. So I did 3, all this done, but it's not perfect. I able to pay Thangka, but just we had a school in monastery, so I studied 3 months, which is continuous 3 months, which means so like this today. So we are going to build this Buddha, and Buddha has. This is called like one is we call this Tokam. Our face is like this one side. Yeah, face side. Yes, a little bit bigger. Yes. So, and then this divided into 3 parts. I gave you there. This too tall. But this is 2 centimeter here. Where I put 2 is 2 centimeter. Total, this is until here is 26. 26 small part. Big part here is 4 centimeter or 4 divide. It's called big part. Each big part has 4 parts. So whatever point there is centimeter. So here for this 2, which is half of the big part. Then this is half, 3.5 for. Actually, this is like 4 one big part. Then here. So all these numbers 2 is 2 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. So total is 26 centimeter. If we are going to build like how big, have to divide with this number. If we are going to build a 50 meters something high big, then have to divide. Only face is 26, and then body, the rest of body. Buddha body is square. Our length is same in height. Our body is our one hand. So how in the width is tall same. So first draw this one, how to build the lines, and then the face will come. All this number is centimeter.
Yes. Okay.
2 centimeter, 4 centimeter.
Okay.
Is it the Sambhogho Kaya? Is it the Sambhogho Kaya?
Sambhogho Kaya.
Oh, the face. Oh.
Face. This Buddha Shakyamuni is Nimana Kaya. Nimana Kaya.
Okay.
So, and then when you build the Sambhogho Kaya deities, but have to first draw like this.
Okay.
And then all ornaments.
Okay.
Then Sambhogho Kaya.
Okay, thank you.
It's only today.
Yes, only
Today.
30 minutes. Only 30
It's
minutes.
very quick.
Very quick. Yes.
So quick for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have one of these meters, please? And one of these?
So this is how all the deities, like Buddhas and all the Bodhisattvas, Guru Rinpoche, all the deities have to first have to art design like this, and then put ornament and become different deities. But then Tara, like female deities, they have another size. little bit thinner. All the Buddhas have to do like this. Medicine Buddha, Amitabha Buddha, Shakyamuni Buddha, who even say did that.
Okay. So nice. I can also maybe take a picture after this.
Yes, you can.
Slow.
Yes. Big.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Artists have to be divided into this equity.
This is mathematics.
Yeah. So then, you cannot draw like only this side, all this, like this.
Yes, I understand.
All this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Sambhava? This
Ratna
like this.
Sambhava.
Ratna Sambhava.
Ratna Sambhava.
And this go here, Amitabha.
Amitabha.
Yes. And then like this, Amoga Siddhi.
Amuga Siddhi.
Siddhi, there's another Buddha.
Okay.
And with this, put one plant, become medicine Buddha.
Ah, okay. And this what? This one?
This is begging bowl.
A begging bowl. Ah, okay.
All other is same. Only this is changed.
Yes.
Draw different Buddha.
Yes.
Very well known.
Amitabha like this. No.
Amitabha like this.
Ah, he's like this.
Yes. Holding this begging bowl in two arms.
In two hands.
Хочу на медитацию пойти.
Right hand, left hand, different. Is it important which hand up and down?
Like this.
Right.
Sakyamuna